Mugenda kulumiriza. Baspa. Go Baspa. Go Akeara. Go Kuabantu. Mumutega kepingu. I want you to put it on so that they can see you on the phone. Bobby, boss, I want them to be put there. Let them remain there. I want it there.
Bane abeksiwa bakulu bange bato bange bali wano omusango kwa Basipata omusango oyo musajja wampaya oyo musajja kamwani naye mfalwana yanduba kupasi bakola abatuze babalala mugabira abantu abakole fujo y'abakuteera abantu tebakubuuze lwaki ensi onegamba nti wabakwaba simba taliwo mukama waffe okukolema ofisi wa pulezidenti wiza wekiba mukama wange honorable minister nsanyusa nnyo okutuwa omukisa obuzibu obuliwo mu Basipata obukulu commercial officer ne town clerk baapointinga ekitongole nga kikulira omwami oyo opulani basolooza sente ku mutembeyi ku buli baasi basolooza abaspecial sente ng'ekitongole kyabwe tezigenda mu gavumenti
Nyeri mukoti y'abantu. Ni mukoti yaki? Atusoko wona kazindaro. Lindawo. Bagambye okusoloza agasente mu paaka n'oziye na tawuni yaka na commercial officer. Is it true or not true?
It's not true.
Where do you take the money from?
Let me explain to you. What you put together, government, you are advising for association or what cooperatives. So my big part.
Anyone got the team in the Yamukisa?
Let me tell you something. What is our foreign association? To my big part of their house. Then the Torosa, let's up really, government, in the Kita Paka, in the ministry of the family, in the sweetness for that day. Let's read it. No matter what I'm considering, what I'm saying about, you're not supposed to beat people. No matter what I'm saying about.
Where are the handicaps? Where are the handicaps? Mupure. Abatuze mupurira. Bano n'abasatu balina omusango. Onasobola sente za gavumenti ne bazirya. Naye bamutegeka empingo. Bonna abasatu bonna bagende. Obakingawa. Okay. Lindo. Z'okusoloza oziteekanka.
Let me tell something. Okay.
Mbarara City Bus Operators Association, Ekumi Chan. Ayiganda ogambire musekasa mukanzinga. Sebasi kumi kulikiro nasema
Okay, let me explain you. Basezo, constitution taken, does not do anything. We never error, we clean. There's government correction. There's a duty and purpose. We have to like we put. Let's not say. Then we are mandated by the council. They have to organize. They come and get it. We don't have to what company is it? We don't know.
Linda go. Go. May Alazi. Mayor Income. Hold on. Mayor. Abantu bagenda kukiringana mu passport. Kyebwenda ongambire ona kusoloza sente zino musekaso basekayo. Are you receiving any money in sekaso from this bus operator?
Honorable Minister, omukanso tubali kuzireta. Ngenda kugambira abantu kusoloza sente omu taxi park na bus park. Owekitiibwa Pulezidenti abantu bayetongoitwa yagira ngu tutagarika kushoroza emishu n'emwe kuruga omu taxi park hamwe na n'omu bus park. Itwe nka kanso twabura okutwagarika omu bus park. Ekyakuratiireho leadership ya bus park na taxi park bayekoreramu omurimo gwabo bo bonka. Ebyo barikukora n'ebyabo bo bonka. Okweyerera okukora na n'ebyo ebarikukora ompa okweyerera kukyaraga akasasiro konka itwe turwihayo sente nemu. Honorable Minister.
Ati RCC can come and speak. RCC agarukemu.
Esanga arwakatano tukakora meeting nezi grupu zone. Kanso ekeitiriza mu grupu eya association yakihereza kugira ngo ezo management ya baspa. Tukachalengeriho base zindi zihakariso kugira ngo omuntu omwe grupu emwe egumo management forever abo kwebara yawe open tinaye close nzira tera waje.
Ate eyo barua tukusanyirize.
Yes.
Barua ya wao huwa mama nyecha mukole meeting na security committee. Both groups must join. Mayor, get all the two groups together, let them form one umbrella, and also on the collection they are making, our council should get some money. Our city should get money.
kake Harmonize RCC ekyaliyo n'agamba Honorable Minister atwire abotaro hagati ya groups z'ezigunka abo group Tausi hamwe na Global bine bases nyingi mnongo mpaso tu hariho group eyakaranzi nayo eine motoka no shop nimbi hati baria ababa nibenda uniform bajwari karanzi na group ye bajya mu mutagara uniform hati akaka vyenkoka nyirasi mara sisi ochiko bakarweta bajira what we do now twichiza na group civil zimajinge ile basi tena yo hajira baragayo representatives bakwatanena nabo echo nani teka mutwachikora minister nchija kuretaho uteka bali n'abantu bavuma bino byinshi
ati banyabarara abantu bano mayinatinge bafera abantu bafsheke wishkabaniza bera Vale, mupure. Oyokera nyo. Bana ke mupurize. Onoegama abantu abantu babategete empimo, mbera ni serious. Ene unyiza ndi polisi yabo notayira mpimo. Afande. All these three groups take them, all of them, the two people. Let police investigate. All the three. They can follow the investigation, we can come afterwards. Father, you take all of the three, we shall talk to RPC later on what to be done. Magama.
Ana kutoka kushemelelwa nibale kujambara yoni banetadorope embarana jimaramo byobikizali yomujikuliremu kokanisa bara ekishashipwe kabachara Ashashe kutoka bachara hapo ikola nyambara twiranizi mubiri Yesu bagamba polisi abene bagenguzi harwaba kujiria n'abatakujiria polisi enyoyi fana yo munonga they are children protection abananga basukaraba yo mu side y'abana abachara kito batwasire kubi abantu abijara masabjiza kukoziwe wa single mothers kama polisi omukazi wa polisi namwe nizagambomwe kokana okutanganyika kino omukazi wangani bamweta shifa akali ya station aho omukazi akansiba omwana wajaire okusisha bana bayinabire ninyirukanjira abokutyankantine sente tinayinabire nyambiko even up to now n'abakazi bingi abaswande dahanguuto ahabwa polisi na koti na n'abaramusi baramunimanya mu byona nosezesha president natuleka nga byona nituleba nanishaba sekta ya judiciary kukwata family protection bajigalkemu nicho ndukushaba muno na side ya polisi erukwata children nayo bakigarukemu niyo baramuka okushaba kwanje ekindi barama abaana bokurara hangudde wabire bingi omwana nimurara omukutiya tuya baziire abamusurukale nyo wa family era nkyo nagambira wa family omusurukale osi family station nkaguma nimwehumaho omukazi yagoho yarema namwesase kuko omwana nimurara hanguddo obwana bwobwishiki abakazi tumuturira ntubonabona twakushaba purezidenti ekintu ekyakirebemu niyo poti yanje ekindi abaramuzi barebemu barakwate.
Hello. Protocol observed. Ladies and gentlemen, amazina ni Senator George Nchora kutoka Meja Victor Road. Ayiminisa weija emizoba kutumuriza abakagwe akatwereye. That's right. Mwana leo minista ni okuija panjaha naba ninyenda kugira emira kwanjurira abokuba problem y'omuriro tukaba twagizire enyuma ebirabyo nakimwe mulayi abunabishatu kandi kuba ndokuhumuriza watugira ngu woza kutwara emizigo yaitu mu ofisi ya prime minister tukageza kubangira owa prime minister tukuramo ofisi zone zabe zitukirire kuruka up to now section arebire mu ofisi ya prime minister so twabantushaba rero minister ngo nkirize tuhereze ebandiko bitoye twahandikire okusinga property ubundi semu kabasa kuwa prime minister tuyongezore mu
ekizimchalo kizoka bechi omu abamulo sobe kiwandiko bakiwula batayala bakikodigo akisome okabandize soma
it was Biafra said come to what the Kisabana Road Barara Silos. Through the woman member of parliament, Barasiti, Honorable Rita Kwase dear Madam, read 21st July 2023, Meja Victor Road, fire outbreak. We write to inform you about the fire outbreak that occurred at our place of work, located in Biafra, cell, Campus Ward, Barara City North, on 21st of July 2023, which burnt all our businesses to ashes and lost goods and property worth millions of shillings. We lost workshops, timber stocks, finished and unfinished furniture, wood chips, electricity wiring system, an electric pole, electric lines, heavy and light wood machinery, timber stores or a banda, and many others. The fire outbreak directly affected 84 people who lost all their goods and property, and 92 people who were indirectly affected because they were dependent on those 84 for their daily survival. It is against this background, Right Honorable Prime Minister, that we request your office and government for assistance so that we can recover from these huge losses, and most of us have been
Right Honorable Prime Minister. When a woman MP at the Prime Minister, woman MP at the Prime Minister.
Thanks so much.
nazo akachemezi agurupi yeye abo bakasanga bahe namanya ngo kindoringo kigo mugutera hanyuma yo kumara kugura runduza kwiha abesuka abagize tocho mwanya gwawe esha ya hati na maremi akena kwa kizuru mwanyu yawe bayangarati maze mureba echapa chawe mchirumu mchirumaka ataterire wewe kwenda fere kana no kuingira abantu abo ikwendeze tezi na zona swaye za fikina hati takaliani ikatuna Kachebezi ngumwe, akabari kachebezi, akabari stonjo, akabari ema wewe mbonde lobi ya wanaone chapa chai. Ugenda kuteleze shoma, mbele chapa chiteleze.
Alilo kateto. Okuvuna na kanse kakonachi?
Wandi?
Okenda kakele kagambe honorable mayor. Aja garuke blog gamba.
Honorable Minister namwe n'abayaha omukyalo ogu ekyali kugamba n'eitaka erya Nyamitobora. Honorable Minister twineho itaka eryitwe rya kanso konka itaka eryogu hakaba hakozirwemu oruguuto kandi riine ekyapa akarimu ekyapa so ekitwakozire twagira ngu omwanya gw'okukora nka kanso omwanya gw'okugira ngu tuferwe oruguuto arukurozinge kandi itwe twineho itaka eryitwe ritukubaasa kugira ngu tukwatanise nawe nangwa yikiriza twagira mediation yikiriza twagira ngu itaka oruguuto itwe nka kanso tube nitwe twaferwaho hazeho oruguuto rero nawe
don't trust anyone. That's why Olintrade doesn't ask you to trust. Check us. Check our insurance. Check everything. Then trust. Olintrade. Care that counts.
yamuhumanya we n'abana be ngweni munyanya zitwe uwo mukazi wa kabiri akagenda yasaba ko yadimistreta aho tutakumanya mwene tubanza kiza akatwara yaza kutugana n'abakabanika ba myanya zitwe tuzaba nawe kandi bine byabo muri mubwire bitubye kokagende bitu
Deputy RDC Ariwa, when the Deputy RDC take over that matter and conclude it, make a report to the President. Mama, we're going to go to RDC Ariwa, you are going to go to
Abanyambara mulio mukama nabakunda rubanye tasenexi agaba ukabanye simbere ahatebwa meya omukirugechi akaruhuka nje bakakwata mu kokeje kwishonga ko ekande dali sabaramu na nishaga bekamba gambere shoge yande ukomwebembezi no kuntagiye mu office issues z'abanyambara enyinji batire bazimsya bazingambira ntwire ninganira nabona ha radio ubundi kansezi mwejezaho ezino shange tarukugezaho kokaye n'eshonga ishatu ezurbani eshonga yo kubanza ebya street parking yambara site omu Uganda yona nenjera no munsi yona niyo kusinga yo kuba expensive Bureta chiki itano ningenda chiki 10 nibabandi bakushara ticket bakareta system erukushare sente ahasimu neshare sente akwa kurikode eshare sente ahasande eshare sente mwe motoketa parking no mtawu nomu esente zimwe nomwe motoka ekube pakinjore omwanya okutashemeye kuba nomucharginga sente emotoka bajirumba bacharginga bajibramping mbara site abanyambara babona bwini mnonga umyaka 10 yone wire street parking etubirire kiza nani kushaba the minister yaroko garte
I'm already told the State House and Corruption.
Yes.
And the regional CID and CI.
Yes.
They have a team led by anti-corruption to go an investigation in street parking. That's not a problem.
Yes. Enshoge nije yakazi ndukumarira. Twinirwa rodit.
But Orindo, but Ogamira Bakakuiva.
It's just
Bakakuiva.
Na vya sababu. Tukaba mwenye kwa mnonga. Ahubwo naza kubeta kamera ogana nyezere ngamba hanshonga ezo kwata mtu wawe
Ndio lega maza yabaze dakema agaruke abo gambira kakwiba
baka twibira kimwe
ari agaruke ari kachere awe chwe
Honorable bo minister kangambire ntwire niterwa karura abantu bahanyibwa n'abantu bo no mushimano kondoga kandi Echo yaleta nsonga y'amaanyi abokuba ekyange n'abajja nsonga zikwata abantu babulizi ensonga ya kabiri bonalebo eby'omuyiwalo liita lyazivara abanyambara muhumule mbarra regional referral hospital eyine CT scan ekyo wazayo watunga accident wabo tine mitwaro 80 tubara kubasa kidogo 400,000 shillings
mitwaro 80 RCC ndio
ekaba ntichimali yokuchagenzire
lindo RCC ndio spirina ndio irara ije kama msama irara ijana ndio gato spirina sinita ndarara hospital deus
ekiruho mwirwaraho